Hey Abby, I'm going to walk you through a little bit about Engage to joining because I couldn't figure it out or remember about membership. So I invited you to Associated Students and to Student Involvement and I think Division of Student Affairs. So for the future, how I did it to invite somebody is I had to click on the membership itself, and then from here I could manage an organization. Since I am already administrator, since you're not an administrator yet, you could go in and do this. So that's why. Under organization tools, I went to roster, and that's where you can pull up all of the folks here. So again, these will show you who is the branch administrators and any other positions here. And then to invite people, all I did was to invite you. Went in here, put in your email address. When you add the email address, it will then ask you what type of position you want that person to be. So for their students, they can put it for AS, a general member, which see things, or a branch administrator where you can actually approve things. So that's what I went through and did for the 3 memberships. So yeah, that's how to be an admin, or if you want to add people to be admins for any of these specific pages on Engage. To just join, you would just go through for the Seawolf Leadership Circle, for example. You should be able to click in here and then hopefully add members. So again, you go to the roster, and under the roster on the left hand side, you can even you can message to get in, you can invite people. I think those are mostly the ways to figure out. So if you need any more help, please let me know. Hopefully that's a good start, and if you did get these, hopefully you got some messages saying that you got invited to a few different ones. All right, hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.